Mission Trails Regional Park Foundation is pleased to present The Art of Bird Photography, an exhibition featuring photography by Blake Shaw. Blake is a contributor to Birdwatchers Digest, Living Bird Magazine, and the Audubon iPhone mobile field guide and website. His bird and nature photography regularly hang on the walls at the San Diego Natural History Museum in Balboa Park. He is one of 14 photographers chosen for the museum's 2015 Birds of the World exhibition. His travel photography is on view at the Route 66 Museum in Barstow, California. This is Blake's third solo show at Mission Trails Regional Park Visitor Center Art Gallery. This exhibit will be on display in the Art Gallery April 25th through May 22nd, 2015. The public is cordially invited to a reception in honor of the artist on Sunday, April 26th from 1:30 to 4:30 p.m. For more information, go to www.mtrp.org.